In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Gumtree. If you're finished browsing, using a shared device, or just want to switch accounts, signing out of Gumtree is a quick and important step. Logging out helps protect your account and keeps your personal activity secure, especially if you're using a public computer, a work device, or someone else's phone. To begin, go to the Gumtree website. Once the page has loaded, make sure you're on the main Gumtree homepage and that you're currently signed into your account. If the site takes a moment to load, just wait until the page is fully visible so the navigation options appear clearly. Next, look for the menu option. This is where Gumtree keeps important account and navigation settings, especially on mobile devices or smaller browser windows. Click on Menu to open it. When the menu expands, you should see a list of available options related to your account and general site navigation. From there, find the logout option and click on it. As soon as you do, Gumtree will sign you out of your account. In most cases, you'll either stay on the same page or be taken back to a general public version of the site, but your account session will no longer be active. A good way to confirm that you've signed out successfully is to check the top of the page or open the menu again. If you no longer see account-specific options and instead see sign-in options, that means the logout was successful. If you don't immediately see the logout option, make sure the menu is fully open and scroll if needed. On some devices, menu items can appear lower down depending on screen size. Also, if the page seems unresponsive, refreshing the site and opening the menu again can help. That's all it takes to sign out of Gumtree. It's a simple process, but it's always worth doing properly to keep your account secure. This is especially helpful if you've been checking messages, managing listings, or viewing saved activity and you don't want that information left accessible on the device. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to sign out of Gumtree.